How's it going, YouTube? Tyler the Hotshot Hauler here, guys. I'm going to be doing a little bit of trailer fabrication today on my little utility trailer. I've had this trailer about 5 years, and it has this really annoying side ramp on it that's basically made for ATVs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that ramp in half because it doesn't serve a purpose for me. I'm going to take the steel from that ramp and I'm going to reinforce the rear ramp. And then I am going to take the wire mesh that I take off and I'm going to place that basically on the front of the trailer, so that way I can actually put like boards and stuff on it to make it a lot easier for hauling stuff. So that's what we're going to do. And then to finish it up, I'm going to weld a few stake pockets on to make this trailer more versatile for carrying stuff and a little bit easier to secure cargo on it. Let's go over the trailer. I'll show you what it's going to look like before, and then we will get to the video. All right, guys, let's go over this real quick. So this side ramp I'm referring to is this ramp on the left. It is a pretty useless ramp, I think, unless if you are going to use it for ATVs only. The trailer itself is not really wide enough to be able to put much more than an ATV on it sideways. So that is the purpose of the ramp. I have no purpose for that. So I am going to cut that ramp just above where the locking pegs are, and I'm going to take all that steel, I'm going to put it on the rear ramp back there to reinforce it with the angle iron that I take off, and then I'm going to take the wire mesh and I'm going to place that around in spots, and then after that we'll figure out where we're going to put some stake pockets to make cargo securement a little easier. So let's get started. All right, guys, got everything ready to go on the vise. The 2x3 will come out after I get this held together enough. I obviously don't have the proper welding equipment, so but I make it work, and hopefully don't light anything on fire. So let's get started. All right, guys, here we are, day 2 of playing around, not knowing what we're doing. And we are on to the last section of reinforcing the rear ramp with angle iron. I've already placed 2. I put one here and another one here. And then now I got the third piece on the side here, and it's going to go right here. The 3 extra support rails are installed, as you can see. Now we're going to lay this ramp down. We're going to tack weld the wire mesh to the new beams, and then we're going to move up front and start tack welding up there. All right, guys, wire mesh is done. I didn't put any wire mesh here due to the stake pocket that's right here. I like to run my chain up through there, so I didn't want to lose the ability to do that. Last welding thing I have to do, I have to put on 2 stake pockets. I'm going to put one here and one over there, and I will obviously weld stake pockets on the other side of the trailer. Gotta darken my mask. I'm blinding the piss out of myself. So good news. Instead of having to cut a hole in the mesh, I realized that there's this nice gap in between. It fits chain and it fits strap. So don't need to do any more work. Now we just got to get cleaned up, paint everything, and we'll take a look at the finished product. Everything's done on it. We got everything nice and rattle canned up, you know, to cover any bad welds. And yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. But you know, it was a good 2 days spent doing a hobby. Going to sum this video up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please shoot me a like and a subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to throw them in the comments section, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.